Sanofi and GSK have signed a letter of intent to enter into a collaboration to develop an adjuvanted vaccine for COVID-19 using innovative technology from both companies to help address the ongoing pandemic. CEO Paul Hudson said Sanofi expects to produce up to 600 million doses of its coronavirus vaccine next year if its clinical trials with GSK go as planned. Sanofi will contribute its S-protein COVID-19 antigen, which is based on recombinant DNA technology. This technology has produced an exact genetic match to proteins found on the surface of the virus, and the DNA sequence encoding this antigen has been combined into the DNA of the baculovirus expression platform, the basis of Sanofi's licensed recombinant influenza product in the US. GSK will contribute its pandemic adjuvant technology to the collaboration. The use of an adjuvant can be of particular importance in a pandemic situation since it may reduce the amount of vaccine protein required per dose, allowing more vaccine doses to be produced and therefore contributing to protect more people. The combination of a protein-based antigen together with an adjuvant is well established and used in a number of vaccines available today. An adjuvant is added to some vaccines to enhance the immune response and has been shown to create a stronger and longer lasting immunity against infections than the vaccine alone. It can also improve the likelihood of delivering an effective vaccine that can be manufactured at scale. The companies plan to start clinical trials in the second half of 2020 and, if successful, make it available to the public by the second half of 2021. Development of the recombinant-based COVID-19 vaccine candidate is being supported through funding and the collaboration with the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority (BARDA) in the United States. The companies plan to discuss funding support with other governments and global institutions prioritizing global access. Director of BARDA Rick Bright stated that strategic alliances among vaccine industry leaders are essential to make a coronavirus vaccine available as soon as possible. Development of the adjuvanted recombinant-based COVID-19 vaccine candidate holds the potential to lower the vaccine dose to provide vaccine to a greater number of people to end this pandemic and help the world become better prepared or even prevent future coronavirus outbreaks. There are currently no therapies to treat COVID-19 and drug makers are racing to produce a vaccine which is expected to take 12 to 18 months. Moderna, in partnership with the National Institute of Health, an agency within the Department of Health and Human Services, began the first human trial testing for a potential vaccine to prevent COVID-19 in March. Another company, Johnson & Johnson, said it is aiming to produce between 600 million to 900 million doses of its potential coronavirus vaccine by the end of the first quarter of 2021 if human trials scheduled to begin in September go as planned. In the meantime, Sanofi is donating doses of hydroxychloroquine, a malaria drug, as a potential treatment for COVID-19. The drug is in clinical trials examining its effectiveness in treating the coronavirus, but it is not a proven treatment yet.